If you've ever stood in your kitchen waiting forever for beans to soften or meat to finally get tender, you already know the frustration. Cooking from scratch is great, until it eats up your entire evening. That's exactly where the KOCH SYSTEME CS stainless steel pressure cooker 6.3 quart steps in. This is a stovetop pressure cooker designed for busy home cooks who still want real, homemade meals without the long wait times. It promises up to 70% faster cooking, easier handling with a one-press lock system, and enough versatility to replace multiple pots in your kitchen. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build. This isn't one of those lightweight, flimsy cookers that make you nervous when pressure builds up. It has a solid, reassuring weight thanks to its 18-tenths stainless steel construction, which basically means it's resistant to rust, stains, and that dull discoloration cheaper cookware tends to get over time. The surface stays shiny, and more importantly, it doesn't interfere with the taste of your food. The handles feel sturdy and heat-resistant, and the one-press locking system is honestly one of the most beginner-friendly designs I've used. Instead of twisting and lining things up awkwardly, you just press the lock. It's simple, fast, and feels intuitive even if you've never used a pressure cooker before. In terms of size, the 6.3 quart capacity hits a sweet spot. It's big enough to cook for a small family. Think 2 to 4 people, but not so bulky that it becomes annoying to store or handle. The triple layer base is another detail that actually matters more than it sounds. It distributes heat evenly, so you don't get those annoying hot spots that burn food at the bottom while the top is still undercooked. And yes, it works across pretty much every stovetop, including induction, which makes it flexible for different kitchen setups. Now, performance is where this cooker really earns its place. Cooking dried beans, which usually takes hours, can be done in a fraction of the time. Same with tougher cuts of meat. They come out tender without needing slow cooking all day. The 3 pressure settings give you control depending on what you're making. High pressure is great for meats. Medium works well for everyday meals like rice and stews, and the lowest setting is surprisingly useful for delicate foods like fish or vegetables, where you don't want to overcook anything. What I appreciate most is how it fits into a real daily routine. You don't have to plan your entire day around cooking anymore. You can decide to make something relatively last minute and still get it done quickly. It's also not overly noisy. There's a whistle to alert you when pressure is reached, but it's not obnoxious or constant. Cleaning is straightforward too. Since it's stainless steel, you don't have to baby it, and food doesn't cling as much as you'd expect. There are definitely some strong positives here. The ease of use stands out, especially for beginners. The build quality feels premium for the price range, and the time-saving aspect is very real. It's also nice that it doubles as a steamer and even a regular pot with the included glass lid, which adds real versatility. That said, it's not perfect. If you're used to electric pressure cookers like Instant Pots, there's a slight learning curve since this is stovetop-based. You'll need to manage heat manually, which might not appeal to everyone. Also, while the safety features are solid, some users might still feel cautious if they've never used a traditional pressure cooker before. Compared to others in the same price range, this one sits in a really practical middle ground. Cheaper aluminum models might cook just as fast, but they don't offer the same durability or long-term reliability. On the other hand, higher-end brands can cost significantly more without giving you a drastically different everyday experience. This cooker focuses on what actually matters: ease, durability, and performance, without overcomplicating things. So who is this for? If you want faster cooking, solid build quality, and something that simplifies your kitchen routine without feeling overwhelming, this is a great option. If you prefer fully automated cooking with zero input, then an electric pressure cooker might suit you better. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. And if you're tired of spending hours cooking meals that should take minutes, check out the link in the description and see if this pressure cooker fits your routine.